What's up? Bryan from Bambike here. We're partnering with the Bamboo Bootcamp to bring you ClumpCamp. What we're going to do is learn all about bamboo clump management, bamboo propagation, and bamboo nursery development. So if you want to learn everything about bamboo and how to grow it and how to harvest it, come check out our ClumpCamp. So we're also going to show you planting bamboo seedlings, how to propagate, and how to grow bamboo for yourself. Bam, 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 bam. So we're here in the back lot at the A-frame, and this is going to be our home base for building up a nursery. So in this area over here, we're going to create a seedling area so that all of our compost can get used to fertilize the soil and to grow up our bamboo propagules. Bam, 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 bam! My clumps, my clumps, my clumps, my clumps, my clumps, my clumps. Check it out! To infinity and bam beyond. My clumps, my clumps, my clumps.